Hi, it's Rick Hodge. We're in beautiful Washington, PA, and we're at the house that has 6 rooms, actually 6 little houses and one that we had in the other videos. So real quickly, we've got a disaster here. You don't want to buy a house like this unless you have the manpower that knows what they're doing, the tools. I wouldn't recommend anybody that's not a seasoned, experienced investor to buy a house like this. We got a fantastic deal on it, so that's why we're doing it. And it's a school district that I like. Anyway, you'll see I've got cracking all the way through here. You can actually see through the actual, show up close, I can actually show right.
Yeah, I can see daylight.
Now, we've got all this area here. We have to jack this up. That's part of our problem, right? This has to be done. This wall is collapsing here. This is separated here. All right? This wall is out, okay? So in this video, we're just giving you an overview of just what the disaster that we're going to have to fix. These